Hi everybody, welcome back to Armcandy. We've got another gorgeous Celine bag to show you today, and I love Celine, and this one is just beautiful. It is a Celine small folded cabas, and it's in a really nice relaxed black leather. We've got double top handles, and we also have a removable longer strap as well. And then the main bag has got press stud fasten, and then we've also got a little clip fasten as well. And then inside, we've got a lovely soft suede lining, and we've just got one flat pocket in there. So the condition of it is in a gorgeous condition. We've called it very good all around because it is in a really beautiful condition, and there's very, very minimal wear. The exterior, the only wear we can really see is a little bit of scuffing to one of these corners. Let me just find it so that you can see that on the bag. I think it's this back corner here. So it's really, really slight scuffing on that corner. And you'd have to look really closely to see it. But the other corners are in a gorgeous condition, and the rest of that leather, again, is in a gorgeous condition. And again, it's got that nice kind of relaxed look to it anyway, so it will look nice with use as well. And then the interior, again, we've called very good. There's not really any standout marks for me to show you in here. You can just see, you know, when suede goes a little bit kind of bobbly, and you can see a little bit of marking on it underneath this pocket. You can see the line from where the pocket's been set on there. But again, no particular signs of like a lot of wear in there. So that's why I've called the interior very good. And then the hardware, again, we've called very good. Again, it is in a really nice condition. On this press stud, you'll be able to see a really slight little scratch on there, but other than that, it is in a gorgeous condition. So that is why I've called it very good all around. I'll show you what it comes with. So we've got a big Celine card sleeve, and then we've got a little envelope as well. And inside this envelope, we've got a little product tag, and we've got the Celine care card too. And then we've got a Celine invoice, and that has got the original receipt tucked in there. And then finally, we've got a Celine dust bag, as well as the Celine box, which I think is always nice if you're looking for a gift, if it comes with a box, so that's a nice little extra too. If you'd like to know the exact measurements for it, go to the link in the description below. That is the link to shop, so it should hopefully take you straight to this bag on our website. So if you click that link, but it doesn't take you to this bag, and it just takes you to our generic product page. I'm really sorry, that does mean it has sold. But we have a request list that you can get onto. So if you've fallen in love with this, it's gone by the time we get to our website, let us know and we'll get you on our request list. And that just means as soon as we have another one, you'll be one of the first to know. We'll send you through an email with the link to shop, and then you can hopefully get in there nice and quickly. So that's the request list. Exact measurements are on the website. I'm going to show you the size on me for reference. So I am a size UK 10, and I'm 5'4". With those top handles, you can pop it on your arm. And it's quite nice as well because you have that clip fasten at the top. So when that's done up, you've got this nice kind of petite tote shape, but you can kind of unfold those sides as well. And then you've got a whole new shape, that nice winged out shape, which is also really nice. And then you've got a little bit more space in there as well. And got a nice handy long strap as well, which means you can pop it on your shoulder, or you can pop it crossbody as well. So go to the link in the description below, have a look at this gorgeous bag on our website, have a look at all of our other beautiful Armcandy while you're on there as well. Don't forget to sign up to our newsletter while you're on there, and we'll send you through your welcome discount code. Have a look at the How to Sell With Us page if you're interested in selling your pre-loved designer bags. And don't forget, while you're here, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and then you don't miss out on any gorgeous bags like this one that we have to show you. And we'll be back very soon with some more.